I've made this beautiful floral Rehal. So let's dive into the process of the making. So first of all, I've mixed some blue mica powder with resin, and now I am pouring it onto the bottom side of the Rehal. Make sure it stays in the bottom. Pour a little less quantity so that it does not overflow. Pour it slowly wherever it is needed. Then I am pouring clear resin on the front part mixed with silver foil. So first pour a little silver foil in a glass and then dab it with some resin so that it is mashed properly, and then add more resin into the mix. I am using 2:1 ratio resin for this Rehel, and I'll also use the same resin for the clear top coat. Add some silver foil in the center and then just dab it with an ice cream stick so that it stays in the place and creates a nice border and kind of a barrier between the two resins. So you need a lot of silver foil for the border. Don't make it scarce, it won't look good. Make sure it is packed tightly. And then when your resin has hardened up a bit, I mean that when it is slightly sticky, then you start putting the flowers. Just put them on top. Don't try to put them in the resin itself because anyways they will get covered in the top coat. Always remember to wear your gloves and respirator while working with resin. When you're picking up the flowers, always pick them up with tweezers and not with your hands because there might be resin in your hands and the flowers will get all sticky. So we are putting a mixture of different kind of flowers in blues and whites. I'm just using some pinks for a little accent color. That's all. Now our Rehel is complete. I've done a top coat after the 24 hours were complete, and I've also added some metal sticker in one part of the Rehel. So how do you like the process of it? Do let me know if you have any doubts, and I will make sure to clear them up. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe if you found this video helpful.